It's a flavor explosion, and it's the perfect go-to lunch. It's gonna make you so happy once you take one bite out of this sandwich. Hi, my name is Hitomi, and today for Women's History Month, we'll be making my mom's chicken katsu sandwich. I chose to make this recipe for Women's History Month in honor of my mom because she took a big risk in coming to the States, and it represents, her Japanese culture as well as kind of adapting to the new American lifestyle. This sandwich is really good. It has all the textures you want. It's got the crunch, it's super juicy. It has the right amount of sweet and a little bit of the tang from the sauce. We're using chicken thigh because it's a lot juicier. Just flip it over and take your knife and then just slice in there and flatten it out so everything becomes an even thickness. My mom made chicken katsu sandwich for me pretty often growing up because it is cheap, it is quick to make, and it's something that you can make a bunch of the night before. I looked up to my mom and her finance skills. She was a great budgeter. She knew how to apply it in our daily lives as well as our meals because obviously she had to feed us every day. Please, if you're gonna make this, use Japanese breadcrumbs. And you can use a thermometer for it, but if you don't have a thermometer, the trick I use is just get some of that panko crumb, drop it in the hot oil. If it sizzles and floats immediately, it's ready for frying. So once the chicken's done, set it aside on a sheet of paper towel. This will absorb the excess oil. There's two key ingredients to this mayo sauce: the Japanese mayo or Kewpie mayo and hot mustard. And depending on how spicy you want it, you could go more, you could go less. So I'm just gonna dabble here much. And then we're gonna get our beautiful Japanese toast, and let's spread this sauce on each slice. So my mom moved in her late 20s when she married my dad. She gave everything up. She left everybody behind and kind of decided to go on this adventure with my dad, which is something I really look up to. So her moving and coming to the States has inspired me a lot for whether it's career choices or, even moving from place to place. It's kind of like, if she could do it, I could do it. So I really look up to that. Look how beautiful this sandwich is. I could probably eat this whole thing. I don't even need to cut it, but just so I could show you how beautiful it is inside, let's slice it in half. It's just so beautiful. It's so tasty. It's gonna make you so happy once you take one bite out of this sandwich. So I'm super excited to eat this. It looks delicious. I know it's delicious, so itadakimasu. It's so good. I've been waiting all day. My mom's gonna be so proud of me. Thanks, Mom.
Oh, yes!